Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Iris Machas, 41 years old, 149 centimeters, and 51 kilograms. I live in Oscaris, Ramon, Isabela, Philippines. My religion is Roman Catholic. I'm single mother of 3 kids, age of 20, 17, and 9 years old. I have live-in partners. He is driver. My father's name is Edward Machas and my mother's name is Sinaida Machas. In my family, I have 4 siblings, 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am number 3 of the family. I am high school graduate. I have experienced 2 years in Philippines. 4 members, they wife, they brother, and they children. I'm doing cleaning the house, washing clothes, cooking, and marketing. And also, I have more experience in Kuwait 5 years, 2 months. 9 members. We are 3 helpers in the house. We serve of the family. Our duties is cleaning the house, washing clothes, cooking, ironing, cleaning the car, gardening, and marketing. And I know how to cook Arabic food and Filipino food. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. And if you help me, madam, I will all my best. I'm hardworking, trustworthy, honesty. Thank you, madam.